Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So on the last video that I posted, the car was not able to be tuned. Reason for that is because of the coil packs. Well, we believe it was because of the coil packs. Honestly, we still don't know what it was. But yeah, now the car is tuned on E85. And yeah, I think it did good. I reached the numbers that I was expecting for this turbo. We maxed out the turbo, we maxed out the injector. So if I want more power, I'm gonna have to either go FP black and some 1300s or a rotated setup and some 20, I don't know, some bigger injectors. So if I ever do want to get more big power, I will have to do a rotated kit. Honestly, that doesn't sound bad. But I would have to sell this whole entire kit to get it. So I don't know. We'll see. Rotated kit costs around $8,000. But right now I'm not really thinking about that. So right now I'm just gonna enjoy the car as it is on E85 or 91. With 91 pushing around 430 and E85 pushing, well, I'll show you guys the video. So just stay tuned and I'll post the video in a minute. But anyways, yeah, the car runs freaking amazing. This thing, oh my God. Totally different on E85. The car runs just absolutely amazing. I am so happy that we were able to get this car tuned. I like to thank Cam Tuning for tuning the car. He did an amazing job and everything just works perfectly. I do have to get a relocation kit for an intake temperature sensor to put somewhere on the intercooler pipe just to read the the intake temperatures, because yeah, we had to do something with the tune, so that way now I do need that. So that's gonna be the next thing for the car. But anyways, yeah, right now the car runs good. We did max out the turbo, like I said. We did max out the injectors. But yeah, overall I'm happy I got to the numbers that I wanted. For the amount of torque it gained, this car just, damn, it freaking drives amazing. I don't know how to describe it, but I'll show you guys in a little bit, a little clip of me driving it. So anyways, yeah, the car is done. I did add off video this AEM strut bar, strut tower, strut bar, whatever you want to call it, in the same color as the intercooler, the intake manifold, just that wrinkle red, whatever that Subaru comes with, and the Subaru puts on the manifold. But yeah, everything matches now. I always wanted something because I felt like something was empty there, and the parent did not fit with the IAG oil separator unless I lowered it. But you know, I don't want to lower it because you do want some kind of gravity pushing down the oil down back into the drain into the engine. So this one fit perfectly. It clears the OES perfectly. So if you guys are looking for a strut tower brace, this one clears your IAG oil separator. So yeah, I've been looking for one just to kind of fill up that area right there, and it does a perfect job and it fit perfectly. So yeah. But yeah, anyways guys, yeah, the car drives amazing. So let me just go ahead and show you guys the numbers really quick and how I did in the dyno. So, and then we'll be back. Alright guys, well there it is. It made a good amount of horsepower, around 518. He kept trying to bump it up, going like 518, 516, 517. It stayed around there. And then torque wise, it was like 490, 497, 493. It just kept bouncing. So yeah, I think it did amazing. On E85, those are the numbers I was looking for, and it definitely did not disappoint. So yeah. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think of those numbers. So yeah. Car is finally tuned. Yeah, so yeah, the car is finally tuned. So 91 made 430, E85 it made around 517. So I don't know, that's some some good gain on the 85, I would think. So yeah, for torque, yeah, it did good. It used to be at what, 390. Now it's 490. So yeah, gained like about 100. So yeah. So yeah, the car, it's drives amazing. Freaking love this thing. Don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of it. I'll just keep modding it, keep changing stuff until, I don't know, until it blows up, I guess. Then do another engine and just keep going, I guess, and keep finding parts to replace if I need to, and just keep this car alive. All right, guys. Well, yeah. Let me just show you guys some driving clips. I'll show you guys the 91 pull, and then I'll show you guys the E85 pull. And you guys be the judge on which one is quicker. But anyways, yeah, let's just go ahead and let me show you that, and then we'll be back. God damn! All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm in love with this car. Freaking performance nicely on the 85. Honestly, I don't know if I even want more power. 600 will be, I don't know, pretty crazy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think so far of the car. Yeah, I will do a video on all the parts, because people keep asking me. All the parts I have, if you want to go through all my videos, I have pretty much all the parts listed, but nothing on the engine build yet. I think there is a video I posted on some of the stuff that I did to the car. I was just kind of like naming the stuff, but I'll probably do a breakdown video, how much it costs to get a car rebuilt, and if you want 500 horsepower right off the bat, what it would cost to get there. So yeah, I will do an update video on how much what I've done to the car so far, and how much I've paid for the car, including the car and all the parts that are on the car. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a breakdown on engine, performance, stuff like that, and then interior and then exterior. So I don't know, just stay tuned. But I will have a video like that, and then I will have a video on how much this engine has cost me to get a brand new engine in here, and all the supporting mods that I've done to the performance to get to 500 horsepower. Honestly, yeah, I will. So yeah, if you guys want a video of that, I will definitely have one. Pretty pricey for what you get, so it's not for everyone. So yeah, if you want to just buy a fast car, go for it. It's on you. If you want something like this and you want to build it up yourself and just buy parts that you want, and I don't know, just get excited, you know, go step by step and building your STI or Evo or whatever car you have, and enjoy it, you know. But yeah, honestly, that's pretty much it, guys. So just look forward to the next videos. Either it'll be WRX or some more STI content. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.